In ancient China, an emperor was growing old and knew he needed to choose a successor. Instead of choosing one of his advisors, he decided to do something different. He summoned all the children in the kingdom to his palace. When they arrived, he announced, "I am going to give each of you a very special seed. I want you to take it home, plant it, water it, and come back here 1 year from today with what you have grown. I will judge your plants, and the one who has done the best job will be the next emperor." A young boy named Ling was in the crowd. He was a gifted gardener and felt sure he could grow the most beautiful plant. He took his seed home and planted it in a pot with the finest soil. He watered it every day without fail, but nothing happened. Weeks turned into months. All the other children in the village boasted about the incredible trees and flowers growing in their pots. Ling's pot, however, remained barren. He felt like a total failure, but he continued to water the empty soil every day, hoping for a miracle. Finally, the year was up. Ling told his father he couldn't possibly take his empty pot to the emperor, but his father encouraged him. "You did your best, and you were honest. You must go and show the emperor your result, whatever it may be." With a heavy heart, Ling carried his empty pot to the palace. The courtyard was filled with the most magnificent plants imaginable, a vibrant forest grown by the other children. When the emperor arrived and began his inspection, he walked past the stunning displays with a deep frown on his face. He finally reached Ling, who stood at the back, hiding his empty pot in shame. "What is this?" the emperor asked. Ling, with tears in his eyes, confessed, "I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I tried my best, but my seed would not grow." Suddenly, the emperor's frown vanished. A broad smile spread across his face. He raised Ling's hand and declared to the crowd, "Behold your new emperor." He then explained, "A year ago, I gave you all boiled seeds. They were dead and could not possibly grow. I don't know what you all did to bring me such beautiful plants, but this boy was the only one with the courage and integrity to show me his honest failure. And that, more than anything else, is the seed of a true leader." In our lives, we are often tempted to present a perfect image, to exaggerate our successes and hide our empty pots. But this story teaches us that true character is not measured by the beauty of the plant we show to the world, but by our honesty when our seed fails to grow.